And dear brothers and sisters, subhanallah, in this world, in the time that we are in right now, وَيَمْكُرُونَ وَيَمْكُرُ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ. They plan and Allah plans, and Allah is the best of planners. I just left the United States, and subhanallah, in the US you have these encampments. Who even thought about the idea of putting a bunch of tents on college campuses over there and making sure that they insist that they push the issue? And all the money in the world trying to shut them down, they shut it down with force, another one opens. They shut it down with force, another one opens. The Islamophobia that was bred after Gaza, after this assault happened, and the amount of people that are embracing Islam is like absolutely never before. Because at the end of the day, one of the reasons why we believe in our plans is we believe that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala plans for us when we obey Him. And even their plans will backfire and become khair for us as an ummah.